Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to describe a picture in English. I will explain both beginner's level and advanced level. So watch carefully and practice with me. Let's start with beginner's level. This picture shows an ice cream truck in a park. The truck is white and blue in color. There is a big ice cream cone sign on the top. The word ice cream are written in red. The words ICECREAM are written in red. The man is selling ice cream from the truck. He is wearing a cap and red apron. He is smiling happily. An other man is standing near the truck. He is holding an ice cream cone. A father is giving ice cream to two little girls. The girls look excited and happy. One girl is wearing a green shirt. The other girl is wearing an orange dress. The father is bending down to talk to them. In the front, a woman looks worried. She is checking her purse. She may be looking for money. Three children are running towards the truck. They seem very excited to buy ice cream. The children are smiling and laughing. The weather looks bright and sunny. There are green trees in the background. A house can be seen behind the trees. An airplane is flying in the sky. The sky is clear and blue. The scene looks cheerful and lively. The ice cream appears soft and creamy. Some ice cream is dripping from the cone. The park looks clean and peaceful. The grass is green and fresh. The people in the picture look friendly. The children are full of joy and energy. The ice cream truck attracts everyone's attention. The woman might feel sad because she cannot find money. The father seems caring and kind. The vendor looks busy but happy. The picture shows a normal day in a neighborhood. It also shows different emotions like happiness and worry. The atmosphere feels warm and pleasant. Overall, this picture beautifully captures a lively summer moment. The picture illustrates a lively scene centered around an ice cream truck parked in a pleasant neighborhood park. The picture illustrates a lively scene centered around an ice cream truck parked in a pleasant neighborhood park. The truck, painted in white and blue, immediately attracts attention with its bright and cheerful appearance. A large decorative ice cream cone is displayed prominently on top of the vehicle. The bold red letters spelling ice cream make the purpose of the truck clear to everyone nearby. A vendor wearing a cap and a red apron is serving ice cream through the service window. His warm smile suggests that he enjoys interacting with customers. An other man stands beside the truck, casually holding an ice cream cone in his hand. In the foreground, a father is bending slightly as he offers ice cream to his two young daughters. The little girls appear thrilled and eager as they reach out for their treats. One child is dressed in green shirt. while the other wears an orange outfit. Their joyful expressions reflect pure childhood excitement. Meanwhile, a woman in the front appears worried as she searches inside her handbag. Her anxious facial expression suggests that she might be unable to find her money. In the background, three children are running energetically toward the ice cream truck. Their movement conveys enthusiasm and anticipation. The bright sunlight enhances the cheerful mood of the entire scene. Lush green trees surround the area, adding freshness to the environment. A small house is visible behind the trees, indicating a peaceful residential neighborhood. An airplane flying high in the clear blue sky adds depth to the setting. The sky appears calm and cloudless, suggesting pleasant weather conditions. The melting ice cream dripping from the cone makes the scene look realistic. The grassy ground appears well-maintained and vibrant. Every character in the image contributes to the lively atmosphere. The children's laughter and excitement seem almost audible. The vendor appears busy, yet content with his work. The father's gentle posture reveals his caring and affectionate nature. The woman's worried expression contrasts with the happiness around her. This contrast highlights the variety of emotions present in everyday life. The scene captures a typical summer afternoon in a suburban community. The presence of families and the children creates a warm and welcoming environment. The composition of the picture draws attention toward the ice cream truck as the central focus. The bright colors enhance the visual appeal of the illustration. The interaction between the characters make the image dynamic and engaging. The overall setting appears safe and family-friendly. The joyful expressions of the children emphasize the simple pleasures of life. The vendor's friendly attitude encourages customers to approach. The airplane in the sky symbolizes movement and connection beyond the neighborhood. The picture successfully combines motion, emotion, and environment into one frame. It presents a harmonious blend of happiness, anticipation, and mild concern. Overall, the illustration beautifully portrays a vibrant and heartwarming community moment. Thanks for watching. For more picture description, like, share, subscribe to the channel.